everybody, in this video we will talk about an editing software that is just amazing. This photo became this photo in under 30 seconds. No Photoshop, no 3-hour tutorial. This is Luminar Neo. If you're a photographer, content creator, or someone who hates complicated editing software, this video is gonna save hours of your life. Just for you to know, this is not a sponsored video, but Skylum, which is the company who makes Luminar Neo, contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try the software, and I just loved it. They did give me a big discount for you, so stay until the end. Luminar Neo is an AI-powered photo editing software made by Skylum. Think about it as taking Lightroom and Photoshop and merging them. That is how good this software is. Plus, there is no monthly subscriptions. You pay once and you have it for life. But now let's take a look at Luminar Neo. Okay guys, this is Luminar Neo. This is how it looks when you open it. As soon as you open it, you will have here on the top catalog, presets, and edit. In catalog already, you can see here some AI things. Let's see here, for example, we're gonna start here. We're gonna talk about AI and how powerful it is in this software, okay? So we're gonna start here, generative tools. Let's go to Gen Erase, okay? Let's select this little cutie, this cat. It's my neighbor's cat. So let's go to Gen Erase. And let's do something crazy, okay? Let's erase the cat. Let's just erase the cat. So you're gonna come here on the bottom and let's put just erase. And this is very cool. Look at this, like stars. And if you move the cursor around, look how it looks like. And it's done. It took the cat. It erased the cat. And it's really cool. But I want the cat. The cat was so cute. So let's cancel this. I just wanted to show you how you can erase things. In Gen Swap, this is really cool. Let's go here in this picture. And let's put Gen Swap. What is this? You're gonna swap one thing for other. And let's erase this car. But in this case, you're not gonna erase it. You have to put something over it because you're going to swap it. So here, when it says, what do you envision here? Let's put a tractor. Let's put swap. Again, this is stars. I think it gives me like very peaceful sensation here. And that's it. If I go here, look at this. It replaced the car by a tractor. Again, we're gonna cancel this. We don't want to do that. And here in Gen Expand, you just expand the image. Like for example, let's say we choose this image over here and we go in Gen Expand. We just want to expand a little bit higher and that's it. And you put expand here. It's gonna create more sky. As you can see, it did its job. It's pretty cool. I saw that also in Photoshop, so it's actually something well known. But now let's go to upscale. Again, we're gonna use the same picture here. So I select the picture and you can see that I took the picture with my Panasonic Lumix S5 and you can see that is 4000 by 6000 pixels a picture. But what if I want to get crazy and I want to print like a big poster of this picture? So we can go to upscale here. We're gonna drag the picture here and it's gonna give us the option. You wanna double the size, 4 times the size, and it can even do 6 times the size. Just imagine how crazy this is. And it's gonna do it using artificial intelligence. Let's go 4 times the size, okay? Let's put upscale. And you're just gonna wait a little bit. You can see here is processing. And look at this. Now we have a huge picture. If you see here, it's 16,000 by 24,000. That is crazy. It makes it super big. This you can print it as a poster. So I'm gonna erase it because it was just to show you. Move to trash and we go back to catalog. So this is about upscale. And now I'm gonna show you something that it drives me crazy. When I saw it, I was like, wow. Look at this picture. It's actually written here that it's from 1925. It's very old picture and of course you can see that it's deteriorated. It's in black and white. Some of the kids are not gonna be extremely sharp, but we wanna fix this. So here you see restoration. If you just pull the picture and put it here, you're gonna have these options. If I put scratches, it's gonna fix all the scratches and problems that the picture has, but it's gonna leave it in black and white. If I put color, it's not gonna fix the scratches, it's gonna turn it into color. But if I want everything, I want full. So let's restore it. Look at the picture. Now it's in color and it's completely fixed. And it actually, I can see that it sharpened the picture a little bit more because now I can read properly 1925 here. And I think I can also go with this picture and put it in upscale and make it even bigger. But again, this is an example. So let's go back. Let's go with this picture because now we're gonna go to presets, okay? As soon as you select the picture, the software is already analyzing everything that is in the picture. And then when you go to presets, the software is going to give you what it thinks is the best for this picture. So in this case, it's giving me in presets waterscapes because they see water here. And if we choose this, you can actually see how it's changing the picture. All of these are presets that you don't have to feel like, oh my gosh, this is too much. You can use the preset, the best one that you want, and then from there, you can go to edit and fix and make it better, you know? And also you can use intensity and these things. But even this one is very nice, as you can see. Soft fix, you have a lot of these. Now, if we come back to presets, the other options that they are giving me are overcast. Let's see what we have in overcast. You have this dynamic, mystery, night. Look at this, it's really cool. It's like a horror movie. Now this one, I think I like this one better. Let's go back to presets and let's see what else. Now, if we keep going, you have this one, lovely light. But as you can see here on the corner, it's to purchase. You can actually try it, and if you like it, okay, you can purchase. And it means it's a collection of presets, not just one. So you can see here, purchase the ones that you already bought, okay? So you have a lot of free presets that are amazing, but they also give you the option to buy presets. This is about presets, okay? Now, let's choose a preset, so I will show you what you can do with the preset, okay? Let's go to water, and I think I told you this one was my favorite. I don't remember which one I told you. Let's use this one. It's just to show you, okay? If you choose it, as you can see, you can use actually this intensity level, which is basically what you can do in all softwares. If you come to edit, you have all the options that you have in all the software. So you can also do manually everything you want. Because you added the preset, you can play with the preset. You can actually fix it. You have exposure. Here in develop, you have exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. Very similar than any other software. But let's talk about the AI that we have here, okay? You have enhance, that you can accent the things. And you can also enhance the sky, as you can see. This picture was taken with my phone. It's a JPG picture. You cannot do much. If you want to enhance the sky, it's gonna destroy it, as you can see. But if you're using raw pictures, for sure, it's gonna be amazing. So this is something I like. Look at this, sky. Now, if you come to sky and you come to sky selection, you have all of these options. And I want you to see this. This is incredible. You just choose the sky you want. Let's say this one. And that's it, it's done. And not just change the sky, but also make the reflection of the sky here in the water. You can see the clouds. It makes it so perfect, like it looks like it was the sky. And when you can do here, now that you selected the sky, you can actually select the orientation of the sky. You can actually refine the mask also. And you can also sing relighting, so you can actually strengthen the light. This is in the scene, okay? But we don't want to do much here, but it's like just to compensate with the sky in case you think it's needed, okay? So look how it was before and how it is now. I mean, of course it looks like I'm exaggerating, but it's to show you how it was, okay? So noiseless, of course, you know, you can take out the noise of the picture. Super sharp, you can make the picture super sharp, but we don't want that because I think the picture is already sharp. Remember, it was taken with the phone, and normally the phone by itself make the pictures very sharp. In Essentials, you have Develop, where you can actually play with exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. But in this case, I'm just going to talk about AI, so I will leave these ones out. Anyway, all the softwares are going to have this. But you have Structure here, for example, and you can see in the Structure also how you can play. This is like very soft, very hard, you know. There is super sharp, so you can put it a little softer. That would be pretty cool, okay? But this is AI. This is working with AI. If you go down here to landscape, because this is a landscape, so it's gonna work properly. You have the twilight enhancer. Okay, so amount. Look at this. Look what it's gonna do. This is like a crazy sunset. Look at this. It's pretty cool, huh? And then you can expose also a little bit more. Ah, that's pretty cool. Okay, I will leave it there. I'm telling you, this is just an experiment to show you how it works because I think I'm exaggerating. I think I'm just gonna leave it there. We understand what it is. Atmosphere, you can add a fog. Look at this. Nice. You can add a fog. And you can add depth in the fog. Look at this. You see, like it's farther, it's closer, but I don't want fog right now, okay? I want to take out the twilight, but in this case, you don't take it out from here. You go in Tools, Edits, and here you will see everything you did. and here is the twilight, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out, okay? So we don't have the twilight anymore. Why I'm taking the twilight out? Because I wanna show you the water enhancer, which is also pretty cool. We can actually enhance the water and make it like super like visible, you know? We're not gonna exaggerate. Look, when you put the cursor, it tells you the water. It already selected it. But this is not the ocean. This is actually the forest. So normally water in the forest is not blue. So I'm gonna take out blue and I'm gonna add more greenish. So I think that would be better, and maybe original color. So you can play with it. I would suggest you to just download it, man, and play with it because it's really cool. This software is amazing. You have also for portrait here, a lot of artificial intelligence, face, skin, body, a lot of things. And you have these professional tools also here, but they don't have the AI, so I'm not gonna talk about it now. But I wanna show you something cool. I'm not gonna use this photo, so we're gonna go back to catalog. Let's go down. Let's use this picture over here, okay? And let's go to edit. Let's go to erase. And here in erase, under you have remove power lines. So when you press remove power lines, this is what it's gonna do. Remove the power lines, as you can see. You don't have to be masking and erase them. It's doing it for you just like that in 1 second. So just to finish, I want to show you something. We are in Lightroom, okay? If you right click in the picture and you put edit in, you can see that here is Luminar Neo. So you can actually edit in Lightroom whatever you want. And then when you want to get crazy and do amazing stuff, you can go to Luminar Neo from here. This is a plugin. So it's all connected, like it's from the same company. I will show you in Photoshop. We are here in Photoshop. In Photoshop, you go to filter, and then down you have Skylum software, and you have Luminar Neo. It goes straight to Luminar Neo with the picture, and whatever you put already in the picture from Photoshop, everything's gonna go to Luminar Neo. You can still use Photoshop, Lightroom, and Luminar Neo all together. One doesn't cancel the other, you know? You can work with everything. Guys, if you want to try Luminar Neo, I will leave you a link in the description, and of course with the big discount. You have to try it. I'm pretty sure a few of you are going to get this program, so if you want me to make a tutorial on Luminar Neo, please let me know in the comments. The people that are following me in the channel, you know that I'm always answering the messages and I'm always delivering to you. And now, until next week.